Hey y'all, it's Sarah with Papercraft Junkie, and I wanted to go through our July 2024 Junk Journal Junkies kit. It's super cute. I'm very excited. Our theme is Vintage Circus. Vintage Circus. This month we have a folio. Look at that. So fun, so fun, so fun. Tags and postcards again. Lots of ephemera. I incorporated some of the book page pockets from last month also that we learned how to do. I love this kit. It's so grungy and cool. We also have some coin pockets, 2 coin pockets this month. A couple of extra little pockets and extra journaling cards here. This one has, this is kind of fun. It's an index card set. Look at these little index cards. They're so cute. A little index card holder in the ephemera pack this month. I've got another coin pocket. Oh, and this month we also have a mini journal with mini ephemera in it. I just like these pages. I kind of left them plain for now. Another pocket, pocket at the back here with more journaling cards. So many journaling cards this month, and a big side pocket. I really love the Vintage Circus theme this month. And then we also, there's a video in the membership about how to make the folio. There's a video about how to make that mini journal. I used an elastic band for the kit. There's a video about how to use the elastic band, because then I can add more pages or whatever I want. And then also this month we are going to be talking about ATC cards, artist trading cards. I give you 6 printable ones just to kind of get you started. But then we'll also make our own and trade them. So I'm so excited to see what kind of artist trading cards everybody makes on their own. But these can just be used as little journal cards for in here. Anyway, I hope you love it. Check out junkjournaljunkies.com is our membership. And I'd love to have you join us. Thanks.